Hey guys, Mobile Geezer out here again, and today I've got a camera comparison between the OnePlus Open and the Google Pixel 9 Pro. So I haven't given you a comparison between these two yet, so I figured this was a pretty good day to do it. It's a nice day out here. It's November 27th. It's 55 degrees, pretty good. So these are the front-facing cameras. 1080p 30 frames per second. When we get done, we'll do front facing at 4K 30. So I'm going to turn these around and we're going to start as usual with 1080p 30 frames per second on the rear cameras.
Let's do this!
So here we are on the rear cameras, 1080p 30 frames per second. So we're going to try some zooming in. Okay, there's 20 times zoom on the OnePlus Open. And there's 20 times zoom on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, and it looks like that's the max on both of them, which I don't get it that easy very often. Zoom back out. Alright, I'm going to take these over to our tree and do our usual focus test. Sorry about the noise. As usual, we're close to the street. You guys let me know which one you think is focusing better. I probably won't be able to tell it all till I get it home on the computer. And we're going to take it over by the brook, and we'll take it to 1080p 60 frames per second. So here we are by the brook, 1080p 60 frames per second, and you can see everything's been very calm around here. Lately we haven't had much rain. And now we're going to take it up on the path, take a little walk and run, and see. And we'll check our stability. So here we are on the path. We'll take a little walk. You guys let me know which one seems more stable to you. And we'll take a little run. And we'll walk over here by the creek. Start out in the shade here. As you can see, things are just flowing gently. We'll do our usual pan around. And we'll zoom in once again. 20 times zoom on the Open, and there's 20 times on the Pixel 9 Pro. Both look pretty clear to me. The Open impresses me because I would expect the Pixel 9 Pro to do better, but maybe not in videos. And we zoom back out. And we're going to take it over by the pond, and we're going to 4K 30. So here we are by the pond, shooting at 4K 30. You can see the ducks are quite a ways over there. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. Times zoom again on the OnePlus Open, and 20 times on the Pixel 9 Pro. Where are those ducks? There they are. I have to say the zoom looks pretty good on both of these. Zoom back out. And now we're going to take it to 4K 60. Let's see what that looks like. And here we are at 4K 60. It's amazing how clear everything looks. Both these cameras are really, really good, I must say. Alright, we'll do our zooming in one more time. And we seem to have topped out at 6, I think, on the OnePlus Open. Hard to see in the light here. No, 8 times zoom, sorry. Let's see what the Pixel 9 Pro will do here. That still goes up to 20, so let's pull it back to 8. Okay, there's 8 times on both. And you know what? I think I'm wrong. I think on the OnePlus Open we're at 6, so let's pull it back a little bit more. Okay, now I guess we're right. Yeah, hard for me to see this screen in this sun, but it's 6 times zoom max at 4K 60 on the OnePlus Open, so now we're at the same on both. There's the ducks again. And we'll zoom back out. And then we're going to take a few pictures, and then we'll end up back on the front facing cameras at 4K 30. Okay guys, back on the front facing cameras, 4K 30 frames per second. Now the 9 Pro will shoot front facing 4K 30 at 60, but the OnePlus Open will only shoot at 30, so we'll stay there. So that's it. We've done some front and rear cameras, 1080p 30 and 60, 4K 30 and 60, and we've shot a few photos. Sorry about the noise. As usual, I'm not far from the street. So as always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And let's always remember we all do better when we love each other.